Thank goodness you're home. The Christmas tree fainted. Just give me the coffee, and nobody gets hurt. So many ornaments, so little time. I destroyed your other gifts. Because I'm the only one you need. When you're into Christmas but not over Halloween. Elves make all the gifts. Only his name goes on the present. Christmas when you're 10. Christmas when you're 25. Master has given Dobby a sock. Brace yourselves. Christmas music in stores is coming. Get this outfit off of me. Or you're gonna be donating blood for the holidays. Hello? Is that the recruitment agency? I think there's been a mix-up. I asked for elves. Ball, foot. Football. Egg, hand. Hand egg. Make Twitter. Twitter gets successful. Twitter gets bought. You get fired. Twitter then gets destroyed. Don't be mad at lazy people. They didn't do anything. Teacher, how do you even read your own handwriting? Me. I was there when it was written. Gentlemen, it is my pleasure to inform you that I finally got a girlfriend. A Bosnian couple divorced after discovering both had an online affair with each other under fake names. Hard to swallow pills. The dinosaur game is laggier with internet than without internet. Dude, where's my car? Buffalo NY edition. Life and condom companies be like. Hello sir. Tonight's f***ing will cost you $6.50. The Canada Goose Horde. The world. The Great Emu Army. The world. Maybe. If I host a World Cup in my country, people will forget about all deplorable shit we have done. Zombie apocalypse starts. Average gamer. Plants vs Zombies gamers. The random dude on Pro X chat eating his mic when I down him. Blue cheese. You think you're better than me? Ranch. I'm better than you. Iran's national team not singing their anthem and facing persecution of their families by the government. Team captains who prefer not to wear a One Love Pride armband, because otherwise they get a yellow card. Turns on the subtitles to understand the foreign language. The subtitles. Both speak Japanese. Me after reading that Elon Musk's Twitter is sinking fast. Meta lost $700 million, Amazon lost $1 trillion and all cryptos are crashing. I wish to be irresistible to men. Poof. What you see. What I see. European MFS when you can't point out where. Ataritsi Puteritzipulat outside Jonka is on the world map. Nabib must travel 6 miles a day for fresh water on a bike with no wheels. For just $3 a month we can send you the DVD. It's funny AF. Schools when people vape, bully others, have sex. Schools when someone wears a hood. Face tattoos of today are the barbed wire tattoos of the future. Change my mind. No matter how cute or handsome you are, this is how women see you when you don't have money. The birthday effect, sometimes called the birthday blues, especially when referring specifically to suicide, is a statistical phenomenon where an individual's likelihood of death appears to increase on or close to their birthday. My Reddit account. Chuckles. I'm in danger. When your neighbor is putting up Christmas lights a week before Thanksgiving. Do we have a doctor here? Yes, I'm a doctor. What's your specialty? I'm a doctor in mathematics. My friend is -1. Me waiting for the teacher to see my hand raised. Jeremy Clarkson says he's not homophobic as he likes watching lesbian porn. Could someone pay for my teeth to be cleaned and cavities to be filled? Please. When you instantly regret sending a text admitting to your feelings and your regret is well-founded. I'm in extreme mental anguish. My dog doesn't bite. He looks at you with disappointment. Old pervert. Flirty pervert. Weird pervert. Cool pervert. Canada. Genociding natives. Massacring seals. Murdering POWs. The White House. Also Canada. Internationally. Trying to keep order. Fighting the Canadian goose. Trying to have decent politics. Me, I'm so full. I can't eat anything else. Me 20 minutes later. The teacher, don't worry. The questions aren't that hard. The questions. The volcano known as Eyjafjallajökull is closest to what Icelandic city? A. Reykjavik. B. Kópavogur. C. Hafnarfjörður. D. Fjarðabyggð. USA, it's a war crime to kill civilians in. Also USA, bombs 2 cities into oblivion. Freedom. Not being confident in yourself. You trying to get into a relationship. Me 2 minutes after getting home from work.